Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to use blockchain technology to secure Internet of Things, IoT, data. With the exponential growth of IoT devices, data security is more critical than ever. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what IoT is. IoT refers to the network of physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to connect and exchange data with other devices over the internet. Now, why should we secure IoT data? With numerous devices sharing sensitive information, cyber threats can disrupt services, invade privacy, and compromise personal data. This is where blockchain technology comes into play. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger technology that offers transparency, security, and immutability. By leveraging blockchain, we can ensure that IoT devices communicate and share data securely. Let's explore how we can integrate blockchain with IoT. To illustrate this, we'll create a simple Java application using an Ethereum blockchain for managing data from IoT devices. First, let's set up our development environment. You'll need to install some libraries. Specifically, we will use Web3j, which is a lightweight Java library for working with Ethereum. Let's start by adding Web3j to our Maven project. If you're using Gradle, the approach is similar. Here's how we can do it. Next, we will also need a local Ethereum node or access to a test network. You can use Ganache, a personal Ethereum blockchain, to test applications. Download and run Ganache, and you will be presented with an Ethereum environment. Now let's create a simple smart contract that will represent our IoT devices. This contract will handle data storage securely using the blockchain. Here's a simple Solidity contract that allows IoT devices to register and store their data. In this IoT device contract, each device can register itself with a unique ID, and it can also retrieve its data. We now need to deploy this contract to our blockchain. To do this with Web3j, we create a Java class for deployment. This Java class connects to our Ethereum node using Web3j, loads credentials for the wallet, and deploys our smart contract. You will need to replace path /to/wallet/file and test password with your actual wallet information. Before we run this, let's ensure we have our dependencies correctly set up. Make sure you have a pom.xml file if you're using Maven, or a build.gradle if you're using Gradle. Now that we've deployed the smart contract, let's create a method to register our IoT devices. We can also create another Java class that interacts with the deployed smart contract. This IoT Manager class handles the registration of IoT devices. You pass the device ID and its data to the register device method, which then interacts with the smart contract to store the data. Now, let's create a main application that will put everything together. In this application, we'll be able to register devices and retrieve their data. In this program class, we set up Web3j, load our smart contract, and use our IoT Manager to register devices and retrieve their data. Make sure to replace contract address with the actual address of your deployed contract. Now, let's run the program class. Ensure that your Ganache instance is running so your Java application can communicate with the Ethereum blockchain. As you can see, we've successfully registered the device on the blockchain and retrieved its data securely. This is a foundational example of how we can integrate blockchain with IoT to achieve secure data management. However, this is just the beginning. There are numerous ways to enhance this system, including implementing encryption for device data, improving user authentication, and scaling the network to handle a vast number of devices. To wrap things up, integrating blockchain technology with IoT can lead to significant improvements in data security. As IoT continues to grow, the demand for reliable and secure data management solutions will only increase. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep coding and exploring the technology that shapes our future.